Hi, in front of me is inHonor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Then you can finally select one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of. Enter your current login method and click on Delete button. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my chosen passwords were successfully deleted from Password Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!